Today we're gonna have a quick Gua Sha routine to smooth frown lines. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. First, we start with warming up the muscles here. Put your Gua Sha in the middle of your eyebrows and move upwards on your forehead. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This move will warm up and wake up the muscles here and release their tension, making them ready for the exercises. It will also soften fine lines here. Next move is to lengthening the brow muscles. Put your Gua Sha on your brows and move outwards to your temples slowly. With this move, we're gonna relax brow muscles and make them longer. One of the reasons that we are getting frown lines is because our brow muscles are so tense, and each time that we frown, they get shorter by time. This move will release the tension, and also it will promote lymphatic drainage, so it will help with detoxification and depuffing. Keep doing this move for 30 seconds on each eye. At the end, keep massaging on your temples slightly for a couple of seconds. By massaging on the temples, we are activating and opening lymph nodes that are located in this area. Next move is to unfold forehead wrinkles. Put your Gua Sha on your forehead and start to move upwards over your brows towards the scalp. Keep doing this for 30 seconds slowly on each brow. This exercise raises sagging eyebrows that may cause a tired or angry appearance. It will smooth horizontal forehead lines and vertical frown lines. Also, it creates a more youthful look. So this was it for today's routine. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you next one. Bye!